Which Australian bird, native bird, has white tips on its tail feathers? Here's one in flight. You'll notice white tips on the tail feathers. And then you've got white down the bottom. So you've got white, black with white tips. Which Australian bird would that be? Well, there's not too many native Australian birds that have white tail feather tips. But one that definitely has is the Currawong. Currawong is immediately recognisable from a crow or a magpie by its yellow eyes. You can just make out the white tail tips on the tail feathers there, see? So that's the Currawong. What's special about the Currawong? Well, it does raid other birds' nests, but here's an interesting little bit of info I found out. In indigenous Australian cultures, the Currawong is often seen as a symbol of communication and connection with the spiritual realms. The Currawong's distinctive call is believed to carry messages from the spirit world. It is often seen as a sign of guidance or protection from higher powers. Also, the Currawong, now this one here, more specifically the Pied Currawong, found in eastern Australia. Just go back and have another look at those. There you go, have a look at those white tips on the tail feathers. So that's the Pied Currawong of eastern Australia. It's a handy bird to have around because it'll eat rodents, insects, and other annoying pests. It does attack other nests and eat other eggs, but it does have its plus side.